While some learn to weather the inconvenience, for others, the challenges are too much.
I'll be getting a gas vehicle ASAP.
Because it's not it for you?
It's not it for me.
Have you heard about the slowdown in the EV race? A recent survey showed a surprising dip in interest for electric vehicles despite them offering zero carbon emissions. Let's find out why some drivers are not happy with EVs. Do you remember all those green benefits we were promised with EVs? Well, it turns out convenience might be a bigger factor for many drivers. Imagine this, you're running late, need to juice up your car, but can't find a charging station. Or worse, the wait times are crazy long. Not exactly ideal, right? This is a major concern for many potential EV buyers, especially during those harsh winter months we recently faced. Cold weather can significantly impact battery life, making those charging times even longer. Seems like structuring your life around finding a plug might not be for everyone. The shiny image of electric vehicles as eco-friendly machines is starting to tarnish a bit. Let's look into two key areas where the clean image of EVs gets a bit muddied. Cobalt is a critical element for lithium-ion batteries, the power source for most EVs. Here's the rub. A significant portion of the world's cobalt comes from the Democratic Republic of Congo, a country notorious for human rights abuses and unsafe working conditions. Reports highlight child labor as young as 4 years old toiling in these mines for meager wages. This raises serious ethical concerns for consumers who want to make environmentally conscious choices. Beyond ethics, the mining process itself can be quite destructive. Cobalt extraction often involves the use of harmful chemicals and a lot of water, potentially polluting nearby communities and ecosystems. Another key factor to consider is the source of the electricity powering these zero-emission vehicles. While EVs don't produce tailpipe emissions, the electricity they run on might. As of 2023, the reality is that a significant portion of the electricity powering our national grid comes from fossil fuels like coal and natural gas. The U.S. Energy Information Administration reports that in 2022, coal accounted for 22% of electricity generation and natural gas for 38%. While renewable energy sources like solar and wind are growing, they still only make up about 24% of the national grid. So depending on your location and source of your electricity, your EV might not be quite as green as you think. Are EVs really more reliable? The idea of fewer moving parts in EVs translates to less maintenance, right? This might seem like a no-brainer, but Consumer Reports, a trusted source for car reviews and reliability data, throws a curveball. Their annual auto reliability survey in 2023 revealed surprising results. Electric vehicles, on average, experienced a whopping 79% more problems compared to gasoline or diesel-powered cars. That's a significant difference. Let's break it down a bit further. The survey considers a range of potential trouble areas, from minor issues like rattles and squeaks to more serious problems like engine or transmission malfunctions. While traditional gasoline vehicles might encounter these issues, EVs introduce a whole new set of potential headaches. These include problems with electric motors, charging systems, and the battery itself. So while you might be saving on routine maintenance like oil changes, you might be facing different types of repair needs down the road. It's important to note that Consumer Reports also looked at plug-in hybrids in their study. These vehicles combine an electric motor with a gasoline engine. The results for PHEVs were even more concerning, with an average of 146% more problems compared to conventional gasoline cars. So it seems that the complexity of combining electric and gasoline powertrains in PHEVs might be leading to more reliability issues. So, what's next for EVs? The initial wave of EV enthusiasm might be cooling down a bit, but that doesn't mean the future is all doom and gloom. The key here is for manufacturers and policymakers to listen to what consumers are saying. We need more affordable options, a wider range of models to suit different needs, and a robust, reliable charging infrastructure. Until then, EVs might remain a niche choice for early adopters, not the mainstream revolution we were promised. What about you? Are you considering an EV for your next car, or are you holding out for some of these issues to be addressed? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging content on the latest trends and technologies. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.